Wake up! This is important, damn it.
Yeah,
You could put that in the film later.
I will.
Okay. And finally, you need a dog. Snorted.
You need a dog?
Definitely need a dog. What do we say?
Oh, okay. The circuit only works while the button is pressed. Okay. You'll see that the circuit only works when the button is pressed. While. Okay.
Last step now.
You'll see that the circuit only works when the button is pressed. Oh, what's wrong with me? Okay.
Into my circuit. Wow.
You'll see that the circuit only works while the button is pressed. Do I need to do that again?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know, man. I don't know, dude.
And then a ground wire from that row to so my equation will be V in I'll have to cut around that.
What did you even write?
I drew the K before I drew the 1.
It looks like nothing. Sorry. Continuity. No.
I'm not in charge of it.
Your continuity.
Excuse me. Okay. Oh, you're a good girl. Yes, you are.
Oh,
You're a good girl.
Did you wake her up?
No, her eyes are open.
Oh my god.
Okay. Okay. One more time.
Blooper reel.
Dog.